Hi, I'm Lisa J. Stocks here with Stocks with Josh. Josh, I have a quick question for
Yes,
you. Can you give me your top tip for new investors?
100%. I'm going to actually give you one of my four disciplines,
Okay.
and it's actually the third, but
Mm-hmm.
it's the number one most problematic thing that new investors do, and that's not controlling their position size. So let me recap, and I know you know these, but you basically want to trade the trend. Don't try to buy clearance stocks. People are attracted, new traders, they're attracted to the stuff that's broke because
Okay.
their entire life, they get the big red signs in the window say 50, 70% off, and they think that's a good deal, and they feel that way towards stocks. So they see a stock that's broke and falling apart, and they think it's on sale. It's not. Wall Street doesn't want it. The company could be going to zero. So discipline one is trade the trend. If something's winning, it'll continue to win. If something's losing, it'll continue to lose. Discipline two is to use a stop loss. A lot of people don't like doing it because when they first start, they don't know where to put the stop loss. They enter a position, and next thing you know, they put the stop loss in at 10%, they get kicked out. And they just get kicked out repeatedly, and they feel like the stop loss is nibbling away at their capital. But the truth is, if you have the long-term habit of using a stop loss, you're going to do so much better. You just have to learn the charts to understand where to put the stop loss. Three is to control that position size. So if you have a small account, and a small account could be $100, $500, but let's just go with the scenario of $3,000. Let's say that you pull together $3,000 with the goal of turning it to $10,000. No position size, if you're trading with $3,000, no position size that you get into should be greater than $300. So you have to divide that up into 10 trades that are either going to win or lose. Now, if they're winning, you can add to them another $300, okay? But that's your max position size for a small account. The last discipline is, I actually refer to it two different ways, which is to not revenge trade and not over trade. Retail, early beginning traders that are often moved between the two emotions of fear and greed. Whenever they make a mistake, they think, I'm going to have to put more money in to get that money back faster, because they're really upset with absorbing the idea of that loss. And so they're going to go, you know what, I'm going to try to do something else to get it back. That's over trading, that's revenge trading. If you make a loss, walk away for the day and start again tomorrow with a new set of eyes.
Of course, always a great plan. Thank you so much for running down those tips for us, Josh. Appreciate you.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me, Lisa.